Alrighty. 4 is exactly like how we did number 2. So try 4 for me. Pause the video, try it, and come back. Welcome back. So we should have drawn our line. I want to circle this. The inverse of -7 is what? Plus 7 on both sides. So that goes away, leaving me with x over -17, -12 plus 7. They're on opposite sides, so I subtract them. 12 minus 7 is 5. Keep the sign of the number that's bigger, which is 12, so it's -5. And then on IXL, right, you would push this little arrow and it would give you the option. So all you're doing is telling IXL what you did to get -5. What did you do to get -5? You add 7 to both sides. That's all you did. So again, IXL is going to have options for you. You just have to pick the right one. All right. Then same thing here. This was like having an invisible 1. So we should have multiplied by -17 over 1 on both sides. Put 1 up there. Then we have -17 times 1, which is -17, over 1 times -17, which is -17. And then that's x. -5 times -17. 5 times 17 is 85. And it's positive because these are both negative, over 1. These cancel out, leaving me with an x. 85 over 1 would just be 85. So again, in here, right, we're looking for multiply by -17 on both sides, to both sides, something like that. All right. Now, 5 and 6, they're doing it a little bit differently than if you would have been in group 3 last time, and that's A-okay. So what they're saying is, still draw your barrier, right? What they're saying is, instead of doing the distributive property, they're going to divide by both sides first. So they're going to take this whole thing and they're going to divide it by 5. When that happens, you are doing 5 divided by 5, so that cancels out, leaving you with just what's in the parentheses. Since it's being multiplied by this, that is a legal move. Then on this side, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then it's like a one-step equation, right? This is what I want to get alone. So the inverse is -4 from both sides. That cancels out, leaving me with 0. Okay? So doing that same thing, we can kind of follow this, right? See how it said, if we have a number outside of parentheses, divide by that number first. So down here, right, notice that's what you're doing first. You are going to divide both sides by what number? 4. So I'm going to divide this side by 4 and divide this side by 4. And I'm going to draw my line, sorry. Then from there, right, we're left with b plus 1, which is what's inside the parentheses, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then it fills in the other side. So if I want to get b alone, I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1.